This meditation helps you to ground, especially if you are highly sensitive. I want to invite your higher self, your body deva's higher self, your spirit guides, your angels, your healing beings, and your star, to make sure that the effect of this meditation is appropriate for your evolutionary path, and to make sure that the effect of this meditation is in alignment with your current healing process, and to make sure that the effect of this meditation is gentle and soft for you and your body, especially for your nervous system and your heart. I want you to close your eyes now if you're somewhere where it's safe to do so. And please have it really cozy. And take some nice deep breaths into your belly. Let the muscles around your eyes relax and around your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. And sense your body and the way your body feels. And how you feel. And whatever that is, it's okay. Your body doesn't need to feel different. You don't have to feel different. It's okay. And now let's ask the earth to ground you. And all you have to do is to allow it. And this doesn't require anything special. You just present with yourself. You're just embracing yourself and however you are feeling. all okay. And sense into the essence of being grounded. And trust that you don't have to be more grounded than you are. Things will improve gradually. And now let's ask the earth, your higher self, your body deva's higher self, your spirit guides, your angels, your healing beings, your star, to help you to feel safe and to help you to feel good. And again, all you need to do is allow it. You just stay connected to how you feel and to what you are sensing in your body as best as you can at this very moment. Nothing needs to be different. This is work in progress, and you will improve. You are always protected and safe. You are now just asking for a deeper connection to that safety and to that protection that is always available for you. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes again. Take a look around. I will now end this meditation. Let's say thank you to your higher self, to your body deva's higher self, to your spirit guides, to your angels, to your healing beings, to your star. You know you are always loved and supported.